In this video, I'll show you how to share your Shopify store link. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Domains. This is where Shopify shows the website addresses connected to your store. You'll usually see your default Shopify link ending in myshopify.com and possibly a custom domain if you already connected one. The most important thing to find here is your primary domain. This is the main link Shopify wants customers to use when visiting your store. If you have a custom domain, that's usually the best one to share because it looks more branded and professional. If you haven't connected a custom domain yet, don't worry. You can still share your default Shopify link. It may not look as polished, but it works perfectly fine while you're building or launching your store. To share the link, simply copy the primary domain and paste it wherever you want customers to visit your site. You can use it in Instagram bios, TikTok profiles, YouTube, descriptions, emails, Facebook posts, WhatsApp messages, or even QR codes and printed marketing materials. If you want to share a specific product, collection, or page instead of the homepage, open your live store, go to that page, and copy the full URL directly from your browser. This is useful if you're promoting one featured item, a sale category, or a landing page for a campaign. Before sending the link out, test it on your own phone and another browser. Make sure it opens correctly and doesn't show a password page, setup error, or unfinished domain connection. So the simple process is this. Go to Domains, find your primary link, copy the correct address, test it, and then share it wherever your audience can find it. That's how to share your Shopify store link. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.